Alrighty, we are here. Mike not dead. We're here at Burger Clam, end of the night food.
I hope it stays that way.
Absolutely. Thought we'd just recap the day. Today is our first full day of recording. It's been super fun. Went up to Seattle. It's been
Took the one line from the airport.
yeah.
Downtown.
Remind me, like, I really wanted to do it because when I was in Tokyo, which is just I love the train system, so I wanted to see how similar it was. It was actually pretty interesting to see correlations.
I love trains.
I mean, they're just neat. Nothing wrong with that. We started off the morning at Pike's Place Market. Super sick. Super chill.
I had some lunch at Pike's Place with chicken adobo and pancit. It was
so good. The morning spot was Baxter and Frost.
Baxter.
That was Baxter and Frost. We had a dirty chai. That thing was so good. Hopefully I can insert some footage here to show that it was just what it was. It was so good. For the first entry for the whole entire thing, we got
Baxter and Frost.
absolutely. They got big cookies. I mean, they look really good. We got a dirty chai right here. Oh, it's so good. How it is out here. I'm excited for this whole entire thing. Walked down, just explored the whole place. Then we had the chicken adobo. That was just right off the corner of the main entrance into the Pike's Place.
Got some food for that too.
Not a lot. We should have
Not
got
a lot. Once we got that food, our mouth it brain stopped. It was fantastic.
Met a super nice dude there. Hopefully we'll see more of him. He was super chill. We got some
And then we walked down to the piers.
got some drone footage.
Good just DSLR still shots. I'm looking forward to seeing how those turn out.
Those will be up on our Instagram. Those will definitely be up on our Instagram.
And then we hiked back up those hills. Legs were not ready for going uphill like that.
The pier. We walked through the pier. Some of those piers, they're super cool. Like there's a bunch of like arcades and stuff inside. Got some hopefully neat photos of those.
Got some pretty neat shots of him inside the arcade with his sunglasses on. I think they'll turn out great.
Mm-hmm.
Had to go to Target because the cables we brought for our portable chargers were the wrong one.
Not at all. Got a brand new laptop. It's completely out of order, but I'm too excited. This is what I'm gonna be editing things on. I'm excited to see if I can really work on this one a lot better than what I currently have. Super excited about it.
Just moving up in the world.
Yeah, we got some new equipment. Super excited. We went to the International District. As we were leaving the International District, we caught this beautiful sunset, so I thought I'd include some of the video here. Right of the stadium and some of the skyline. I would like to take a second to talk about this right here, the subway stations. The subway systems they had in Seattle were amazing. A lot like the ones I've seen from other places, but what I'd like to see more. A part I really appreciated about these ones is they had really nice spots for us to take video, so that was always cool to see, and I always appreciate that. Of course, let's get back to the International District footage. The park was super nice, in the middle of it. Beautiful as always. I've been there a couple different times.
Oh man, I I love a banh mi sandwich.
Oh yeah, we had some really good Vietnamese food. That Vietnamese coffee, ooh, that hit the spot. Oh, I love that. Oh, so good.
I cannot wait until we get a chance to go to Vietnam.
Absolutely, that'll
Supposed to
be
be
the
the best
upcoming
coffee.
future.
And yeah, it was just a fantastic day. Got about 12,000 steps in.
Oh yeah, a lot of walking,
A lot of walking.
but those
a lot
train
of
systems are
hills.
super good. I love the trains, and
Such a beautiful area.
we picked such a great day to go. Usually it's pretty windy and pretty wet, but it was beautiful and sunny and not windy at all. So perfect for the drone. I'm glad we got some good drone shots. I will 1000% have a bunch of drone shots in here. Yeah, I'm super excited for all that stuff
Fantastic day.
all around.
Great start to the channel.
Absolutely. So we'll see you guys in the future